Oh, you got the camera on?
Oh, yeah. All right, so if you don't remember my neighbor Ashton, we actually made a video of him driving the SQ5.
Yeah.
Ashton and I are going to get new wheels put on his A4. So he has the stock 17s on here. We've been talking about doing wheels. We've been talking about doing suspension. My buddy Corey at EPA Auto House hooked Ashton up with a set of, actually, I won't quite unveil them yet, but you've probably seen them in the thumbnail. But he hooked him up with a set of Rotiform wheels. We got tires for him, and what we're gonna do is put some wheels and tires together and then put them on the car today at Billy's shop. One thing to note is we may need some suspension work to make it look good, but because we're not quite sure how it's gonna look, because I haven't seen an Avant with just wheels on it, we're gonna do the wheels and the tires first. If it looks kind of funky, we'll go ahead and get him some springs or some coilovers depending on what kind of ride height he's feeling. Ashton isn't huge on the slammed look. He just wants like a functional low and a good looking low. So we're not doing a crazy offset on the wheels. The tires aren't crazy wide. It's something that's functional, and it'll get Ashton into the car scene. All right, Ashton, are you ready?
I'm ready, man. Let's get this thing popping.
Oh, it's already unveiled. Hang on. Give me a nice dramatic unveil.
Check it out, y'all. Check it out what we working with.
Ooh. We got Ashton. He got himself some Rotiform FLGs. Are you excited?
Gotta put the shades on for that, like this. You feel me?
Oh, the dance moves? Oh, damn. So these are 19s by 8.5. 45 offset, nice and simple. We kept it simple, nothing crazy,
you know,
silver.
classy.
And then we're thinking, because Ashton's brand is orange, we're thinking maybe do some orange calipers, some orange stickers, and that way the silver and the gray don't clash.
Yeah.
We got a little orange pop.
Little pop.
Bill, you're not laying pipe today.
No, we are not laying pipe today, even though I'm a professional pipe layer.
Look at the smile on this man's face.
It's a flex, baby.
I was talking with Billy on Sunday about the excitement that I'm seeing in Ashton. Just think back to the first time you did like a big mod on your car. The first big mod that you did. That's the excitement this man is feeling right now.
The first one, baby.
There's like, you can feel the excitement in the air. And all we've done, we don't even have air in the tires. It's on. Man is waiting, he's ready.
It's about to be a time.
Put the glasses on again, It's not even any music, he's just doing it. Here we go, Ashton.
Damn, it's getting crazy. It's getting crazy.
Here she comes. I think she gonna sit a little high, but that's okay. Let's see how she looks. Oh, she sits right down in there. How you feel?
I feel good, man.
It's first set of Rotiform, baby.
First set. Gotta take care of the caliper.
All right, he said he's gonna order a set of springs tonight. So.
Nice, baby.
But, I mean, these wheels are really nice. They look really nice. It's a good design. It's not like monster, like you could drive around like this. It's not the best look. It would look a little better lower, but it's not like it looks like a monster truck right now. I like it. I like it. All right, Mr. Stiggity Stacks. What's the verdict?
Man, this is beautiful. Put some caps on this one.
We're gonna do some orange, like I said.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to Corey from EPA. Thanks for hooking up Ashton.
Yo,
if you need anything,
appreciate you.
I'll put him in the description.
You already know.
We can get a little drop next.
Yeah.
Get some good stuff. Ashton, where can people find you?
You know what I'm saying? Hit me up on Instagram at on my Stiggity. YouTube is, you know, Stiggity Stacks. Just type it in. You probably plug it up in the.
I got
bloop.
you. I got you. A little bloop.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Well, as always, appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for tuning in for a different kind of video today. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and we will catch you guys in the next video.
Be good, be good.